What's up guys, welcome to GoGo Motoring YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I love the 2023 Hyundai Sonata SEL. The first thing I love about this car are the looks of the car. As you can see in this video, the car looks pretty unique. It's got these sharp angles, sharp lines that all work really well together. They give the car a fairly conspicuous look. Especially when you take into account that this is, not a super expensive car, basically an economy car in many ways. But the looks of it are absolutely amazing. The front grille looks really good. The crease in the hood looks really good. And the entire design is put together pretty well. You also have these amazing rims that look different than many other rims that you see on cars. And just everything about the way that this car is put together, the way that it's designed from the exterior works. There's definitely sort of a design motif here, and the car looks amazing. So that's the first thing I love about the car. I love the looks of the car. Closely related to that, the second thing I love about the car is the interior of the car. As you can see here, the car's got a pretty cool steering wheel. It's not a three-spoke steering wheel, but it's a kind of a interesting looking steering wheel, and then the interior looks really nice. You've got clear dials, you've got a big touch screen. You don't have too many buttons, so the car is pretty easy to operate from within. And interior wise, I mean, the car has a very much a luxury car feel. Soft touch materials everywhere. Again, as mentioned in my previous video, it's pretty hard to differentiate between these sort of economy cars, mid-level cars, and premium cars. They're all starting to blend together, and they all look really nice. So really love the interior of the car, love the dials, and everything else. The third thing I love about the car that's closely related to the interior of the car is, again, the technology the car comes equipped with. So you've got a big touchscreen right over there. It's Apple Car compatible. You've got a backup camera. You've got a bunch of these wheels on the steering wheel that hands-free, where you can adjust the volume. You can call somebody, pick up the phone if they call you. It's got a Bluetooth feature. So technology-wise, the car has many of the technologies that you would find in premium vehicles, and perhaps more technologies than you would find in a vehicle that's maybe 2 or 3 years older than that one. So that's the third thing I love about the car, is just the technology the car comes equipped with. The fourth thing that I love about the car are the car's driving dynamics. This is a pretty comfortable car to live with on a day-to-day basis. It's a perfect cruiser. Really kind of does the job without too much fuss. Has compliant suspension. Makes it very easy to drive on regular streets, even streets with imperfect roads. Now the transmission works fairly well when you're not pushing the car aggressively, and it as a cruiser, as a car that you drive 6 or 7 tenths of its total capacity, between the relative adequate power that it has, the comfort that it has, the steering feel that it has, it's a pretty fun car to drive. So that's the fourth thing that I love about this car. And the fifth thing that I love about this car, and probably the most important thing, is just the value that this car has. I mean, this car, when you spec it out, I mean, there's different trim levels, like I explained in a more comprehensive review of this car, but you can get these cars for $30,000 brand new. They come with a warranty, new car warranty. They do everything that you need a car to do. They're reliable, as mentioned. They have all the modern day technology. They're good to drive. They've got plenty of space in the back seats. And at a time and age when so many of these SUVs and other cars are getting so ridiculously expensive. I mean, laughably expensive. To be able to buy a brand new car with a $30,000 price tag that is new and has warranty and has all these other features, I don't really know what more you can ask for. So just from a value perspective, when you drive one of these cars and some of the other cars in this segment, like your Honda Accord or a Toyota Camry, Mazda 6, Volkswagen Passat, you really start to ask yourself the question of why would you ever want to spend more money on a car when you have a car that can do all these things for you? And so that's the fifth thing that I love about it. So in summary, great looking car, great interior, great technology, good daily driver, good cruiser. I mean, it's not like a sports car, but it's a cruiser, and there's a way to appreciate those types of driving dynamics as well. And then fifth, and probably the most important, is just the overall value of the car. Just an awesome package, and something that's obviously going to be helpful to people in this day and age and this economic climate. So appreciate your watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. I've got plenty more videos coming your way. Thanks, guys.